Good morning. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving break and are ready to jump back into classes. Class will start on December the 3rd and it will go through, I believe, December 9th. Yes, December 9th at 11:59. So that'll be when all assignments are due. If you want to work ahead, though, you can start working today on Monday and no one's going to penalize you for that. Let's look over week two or workshop two assignments, and I'm going to share my screen. You should be able to see that now. I was in the middle of one of the assignments, so let me go back out. I'm in student mode, so you should be able to see everything from that. I'll go out to the main page and just show you how to navigate there again. It's been a week and you may have forgotten already. So here we are at the main page, and you can just go out the course menu and then click on workshop two. And that takes you to this week's assignments. So we have two discussion. The first week we had a video connect that could take the place of one of these. This week there's not a video connect. It's just going to be both written. So you want to post your initial post or thread by Thursday at 11:59 p.m. for both of these. And then you need to respond to two other students by 11:59 on Monday night. That'd be on December 9th. So make sure you do that. That way you don't lose any points for late assignments or submissions for this. Sometimes it's a little complicated to remember, but you'll get into the rhythm of it. And it's the same for pretty much all the other classes that you'll be taking here at Indiana Wesleyan. So that'd be the discussion. Make sure your student responses are substantial enough. Don't want just "I agree" or "great job" or something like that. Give a paragraph or two worth of content in that where you're really responding and interacting with the other people, and then make sure you respond to any post that I or others submit to you within reason. I mean, if they posted at 11:58 on Monday night, I understand why you're not going to respond to that, but try to make sure you're engaged in the discussion so you can get your full points. We do have two other assignments. This first one's a written assignment, has an activity, and it's based on, are you eLearn ready? So that's just, are we ready to do online learning, which is different than face-to-face. Many of you have probably had face-to-face experiences. This may be the first time for some of you to do online education, and I totally understand that. This helps you to assess yourself and maybe see where some weaknesses are, some strengths, and right at the beginning to evaluate yourself and see maybe some of the areas that you need to improve in. There's a TED Talk that you can watch. Then there's a website that you'll need to go to. There's 40 questions. Just put your email address, your age in there, and then what it'll do is give you a link to your results. Based off of those results, the student survey results, you're going to write a reflection or summary about your ability to do e-learning. So it's going to be 3 paragraphs. You need to do it in Microsoft Office. You should probably have access to that on your computer if you have Word, Microsoft Office Docs. So if not, you should be able to get a student account through Microsoft 365 for free so that you can do this online. But again, it needs to be a Word document that you submit this in. And what you're going to do is you're going to evaluate your personal readiness for college level coursework in a digital environment. So are you ready? You're evaluating yourself for online learning is basically what that means. There's 3 questions that you're going to address. So you have 3 paragraphs. If you do a paragraph per question response, that'd be great. You can even just put your headings down here, these questions. I've just copy paste this into a Word document and put that right in my document and then just answer the questions under it with a paragraph each. What areas of strength do you bring to higher education learning experience? What might be potential areas of challenge as you move ahead with your coursework? And what strategies will you use to enhance your opportunities for success? Once you've done that, you need to submit this. This is the first time you submitted a document for this class, so I'll show you where to go, but you just go down here to the bottom, you click Access the Assignment Submission page. That should open up another page, and here you see the rubric, content, 20 points, quality, 20 points, and then written communication, so spelling and grammar and everything's correct, 10 points. So make sure you pay attention to all of that. Have someone read it over twice before you submit it so you don't lose any silly points for typos and things of that sort. And then you go down here just to add file. There's some place where you can put comments down here if you want. You don't have to. You can just say, Dr. Hallam, it's it's been great being in class with you, or something like that. You don't need to. Or if there's any explanation you want to add, that's fantastic. But really what you need to do is just go to add a file. And then there's all kinds of different things here. Probably your assignment's going to be on your computer. So you can click on that and then click upload and then find it among your documents on your computer. So that's how you submit an assignment. If you need help with it, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Of course, I'm here to help you and help you succeed. Let's go back out. You can see this kind of took me a different place. So again, I'll go out to course menu, workshop 2, and we'll go down to this final assignment for workshop 2. And this one's attending to feedback for improved performance. So what we want to do here is just make sure that you can go out and find the feedback that I, as a professor, have left you as a student. And you're going to go out, you can watch the video, you can see some instructions here for finding faculty feedback for discussion and for an assignment. So there's some very helpful things here, also for a quiz. And then what you're going to do is go out to discussion 1.2. So that'd be from last week. And you're going to do a screenshot. So if you haven't done a screenshot, look online, figure out how to do that. Sometimes it can be called snipping tool if you have Windows on your computer. But just take a snapshot of that feedback, copy it, paste it into a document, and then answer these 2 questions. Reading this feedback from my instructor makes me think. So just respond to that. And then answer the second one. Feedback can lead to enhanced performance and success as learner by. So respond to those 2, submit it again in a Word document. You go down, access the assignment submission page, do it in the same way. And that's how you do this for the second week of this class, Gen 111. So if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm excited to be your professor and excited to see how this week goes for all of us.